Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing and then taking immediate action. Confirm you know your Apple ID credentials and make a quick iCloud or local backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then scroll to VPN and Device Management. That's where Beta Profile's live. If you see an iOS beta software profile listed, tap it to view details. Make sure to stay connected to Wi-Fi and keep the phone charged while you remove the profile. Now remove the profile itself and reset system state. Tap the beta profile, choose Remove Profile, and authenticate with your device passcode. This tells the system to stop receiving beta updates. After removal, go back to General and scroll to Software Update to verify the device is off the beta channel. Next, restart the iPhone, power it off and on, because a reboot clears temporary settings and ensures the update server syncs the correct release channel. Finish by checking Software Update. You may need to wait for the next public release to appear. If the phone still shows beta builds, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to restore to the latest public iOS while optionally restoring your backup afterward. If problems persist, remove the profile again, reboot, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and verify network settings. This single troubleshooting tip, reboot then restore, fixes most transition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.